transmitters of Florida listening area originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system for a specific area message encoder. The same system will learn only the county or counties affected by the intro 1. The tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather is present. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular program. This is all-weather radio, the 24-hour voice of your national weather service. Receiving signal with a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters of the Florida listening area originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by the intro 1. The tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threat. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular program.